Good morning, Jeremy, and thank you for inquiring about the Hyundai Sonata. As you can see, I've got one outside here. Comes with a lovely, aggressive new honeycomb grille, wraparound headlights, alloy wheels, LED turn signals, blind spot detection, lane keep assist, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. They all come with America's best warranty, 5 years, 6,000 mile new car warranty, 10 years, 100,000 mile powertrain warranty, which we exclusively double at Tameron to 20 years, 200,000 miles at no cost to sell. My name's Mark, so give me a call, 205 720 6581. You're going to love where you're treated here at Tameron Hyundai.